Hello, my name is Yesenia Zuluaga. I am living in the city of the Medellin, exactly in the street Juan 23. Is the street the room of the room 2, where the neighbor, as we know, and every year, we help development of the community. Although in occasion we have inconvenience of the public order, be the criminal gains. The major give us all the possible security, making present the force, the army of the police. I love my street, despite that I only had 3 years living here. I feel that always I have belonged. My mother always lived near to house of the mine. The school, my brother is close, y the best, the transport. It's very effective. I had 3 bus routes, the and the metro cable to block out of the house. I love my district. Bye.